Natural remedies for knee joint pain, a result of a single cause. While temporary knee pain which is caused by an injury usually fades away on its own, that on and off pain in your knee could be due to certain underlying causes that need to be treated. No matter what the causes of your constant knee pain is, the remedies in this can offer relief to a great extent. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar, whether it is consumed or applied topically, helps combat knee joint pain. It contains acetic acid that exhibits anti-inflammatory properties which help reduce the pain and swelling in the affected area. Add 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar to a glass of water and mix well. Drink daily before meal. Turmeric. Curcumin, the major component of turmeric, is a powerful anti-inflammatory compound. It was found to alleviate symptoms of joint pain and inflammation in multiple studies, owing to its anti-inflammatory properties. Add a teaspoon of turmeric to a glass of hot milk and mix well. Consume the mixture. Lemon. Lemons have anti-inflammatory properties that help reduce the inflammation, pain, and swelling that accompany knee pain. Extract the juice of a lemon, mix it with a tablespoon of sesame oil. Apply this mixture topically to the affected knee. Leave it on for about 30 to 40 minutes. Repeat as required. Olive oil. The active constituents of olive oil include biologically active polyphenols like hydroxytyrosol, tyrosol, oleosanthal, and oleoripine. All these compounds have powerful anti-inflammatory properties that work wonderfully in treating knee joint pain. Coconut oil. Coconut oil can help reduce the inflammation and pain associated with knee joint pain with its anti-inflammatory and analgesic activities. Take some extra virgin coconut oil and apply it directly to the affected area. You can allow it to dry on its own or rinse it off after 30 minutes.